Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how to run the new camera cable through the tailgate of a Nissan Murano, and this one is the Murano 2011. So you know that the tailgate of this one is designed very special with the big plastic cover underneath of the whole tailgate, and it is really extremely hard to run the new wiring cable through this tunnel inside the tailgate. Okay, so actually it has one small and narrow tunnel inside that you can run the cable through, but make sure that you give it a lot of patience to do the job. So we successfully get the pilot or the fitting wire running from here, carefully running along here and to here. Okay, so you need some sort of very patient and trying to get it through. Basically what you need is a kind of fitting wire, and also looking through here you will see that inside this section it has two different channel, you know, and we actually get success by using the bottom channel. So if you see it inside, you know, there's one higher and upper and lower channel, and we use the lower channel to get this fitting wire through. So yeah, that's the way, and it's about 10-15 minutes trying. You can get this one through, and after that you can run the new camera cable inside the cover and then going through here, which is easy under the you know, inside the rubber channel here, and go through the car to the front. But yeah, this is the hardest part of the running wire through. So yep, stay tuned and see you in another video. Thanks for watching.